Hey. There's the smile. Alright, go back to sleep. Alright, welcome back everybody. We're in the back seat of my car. About 2 years now I've had the back seats removed from my car because I was like, oh man, I got this race car, I need to be fast, weight reduction bro. But realistically I have 50-pound wheels, my car makes about 200 horsepower, it's not fast. So I'm just gonna be practical, it's my daily, I'm gonna put the back seats back in. I'm tired of my computer monitors when I travel to flop around like fucking limp dicks. So I'm gonna put these back seats back in. I'm gonna show you the process because I remember when I was doing it, I was a little bit stumped. I needed some help and there wasn't really any videos out. So yeah, fuck it, I'm just gonna make a video of it. Alright, so first things first, you're gonna need one of these tools. It is I think it's called like a triple D, I think this is the 10, it's a 10 mil. So triple D, size 10. That'll get these out. So they're gonna have one here and one over here on this side, just to give you a little bit of perspective. One there, down here. So this one is going to go over here. I'm just gonna put it on top of my existing harness thing. Walk you through it. I'll kind of show you step by step, but just to reiterate, I'm gonna put these on first, then I'm gonna put that on, and then I'll put the cushion down last. So the way it's designed, there's a rod right here like a shaft, but it's mirrored on the other side. So there's one in there, you slip it in, and then there's this little groove. Drop it in. You would stick around. I guess time starts down. A king without his crown. Now I'm breaking, you're faking, girl. You never made a sound. I'm tired of the forget everything I told you so far. I was wrong, I thought I was right, but it's also been forever since I've done this. I'm gonna take these out because you need to get this or these through here, but they don't cut a hole for you. You have to stretch the fucking fabric because thanks Volkswagen. And they made a little prison pocket for it. I'm gonna take these out, slip these through that, get all this figured out, and then I'll put these back in. We'll see how that goes. Oh. Woo! Pain in the ass, dude. So you gotta do all this. Cushion first. No. You gotta do these. You have to do this, but this is connected to this, so you have to have this like next to you. Strap that in. Then put the cushion on. The cushion's a pain in the ass because you gotta slip all this in together. You gotta put these on. I had these are actually on the wrong way, but I had to keep them this way because if I tug on them, they'll pop off like that. I don't want that to happen, so I just switched them around. It's fine, it's not gonna cause any issues, I don't think. I've noticed that because I have the harness strapped right there, this is actually too high, so this doesn't sit well. That's why it was so hard. But I just pushed it back as hard as I could, snapped it in over there. Yeah, man, this is a whole job, and it's like 90 something degrees out here, so it's really hot, and I don't have a garage, so I'm doing this in my yard. It's tough. Yeah. Well, that's about it for this video. I'm gonna drink me some water, pet my cat, and then get a shower because that was exhausting. I don't know if you can tell, but my shirt's nearly black. With that, I'm out of here. Peace! good kitty, aren't you? Oh wow, that is just disgusting.